Craving cake but short on time. Let's make a fluffy cake in a mug in just 1 minute. In your favorite mug, simply add flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and a tiny pinch of baking powder. Next, pour in some milk, a little bit of oil, and a splash of vanilla extract for that lovely flavor. Give it all a good mix right in the mug until the batter is nice and smooth, with no lumps. Now for the best part. Place your mug in the microwave for 1 minute and watch the magic rise. In no time, your soft, fluffy cake is ready to enjoy. For an extra special treat, top it with a scoop of ice cream or a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Don't forget to subscribe to Hijabi Bites for more quick and delicious recipes.